You are most welcome to a special edition of the Authenticity of the Quran, where we delve into one of the most debated topics across civilization, that is scriptural authenticity.
So the Quran cannot be from the Prophet because the Prophet doesn't know how to read Quran and has never interacted with any civilization before the revelation of the Quran.
They can easily detect if there is any mistake.
Yes, if there is
and
any
they will
mistake.
be the best because they will even be waiting to see any mistake so that they can actually make it a big deal and possibly publicize it.
Yes,
So,
but none of them
never,
is able to find any mistake in the book.
They only don't want to follow Muhammad because they see him as just an orphan from the family of Hashim, whom they feel we are more superior to him, so we deserve to be messengers of God, not him.
There is no way that he will not tell a lie to you and his first lie will be against Allah. This can never happen. Someone who has never told a lie before to start by saying he is a messenger of God.